If I say puppy, you'll instantly become a cute little puppy dog. And puppy! That's right. Feel that change happen so fast. Good girl. You can get nice and close to that camera and show me your paw. And oh, now she needs to find a new toy. Maybe a puppy toy around the floor. That's right. Now take your toy onto the couch. Now show me that toy. Normal. So what was happening there? Puppy. That's right. Get that toy for me. What a good girl. She's going to show me that toy nice and happy. That's right. Show me that toy. Normal. So what was that?
I don't know. I just grabbed a dog toy and my dog is over here now staring at me.